We're here in the garden bed specifically for green beans, otherwise known as string beans. In the garden bed, they grow on these leaves. There are these poles from any kind of wood to keep them growing upward, and sometimes they're attached with other poles. Now, these are freshly picked green string beans. You pick them from, here they are, from the roots of the leaf, okay? And here's a little one. Here's quite a big one right there. And there's a big one right there. So in this garden bed, we have some parsley, and with some scissors, cut some off, just like so we can use for our fasolaki dish. So we'll have fresh parsley. Yes, we've harvested the green beans, and I just wanted to show you some of the ingredients. These are the green beans with some of the parsley because we've washed it thoroughly. We have 2 tomatoes here and an onion, which we're gonna cut in half. Alati, we have the salt, and the olive oil. The olive oil, this specific one, comes from Spain. And we have 2 garlic cloves. You can put 1 garlic clove, 2 garlic cloves, and a little bit of black pepper. The important thing here to know is that fasolaka, the green beans, do not get cooked just like this. You will take one and you will cut off the ends. This is the part that gets cooked, okay? The ends need to be cut off. You fill up the bottom of your saucepan with olive oil, just to fill up the whole bottom. You could see that it's covered. We have our grated half an onion, our grated 2 cloves of garlic, our 2 tomatoes grated. We have 1 pound of green beans. Now, if you don't have them fresh, you can have them frozen or however you would like. Just make sure the ends are cut off. And 2 teaspoons of parsley. We can put 1 spoon of salt and half a spoon of pepper. You simmer the onion. While this is simmering, we're also adding the garlic cloves, okay? And again, the simmering process. And I will add the salt and some pepper. Now, of course, I'm gonna add a couple pinches of pepper. Now, of course, that's to your liking, how much you want to incorporate. Our green beans will be placed in here. And again, with the parsley, it is at a medium heat, and they will start to wither. Once they're starting to wither, then you know, now the salt and pepper are in there, then you know that it will be time. In a couple minutes, it will be time to put your 2 tomatoes on top and a half a cup of water, because it will just be soaking up all the water, okay? Now that's the process. This will take up to 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes to cook. If you want them to be tender or if you want them to be softer, it depends on how you want them to be. The water will be soaking up, so make sure that you check up on it. Lower the heat a little more. Green beans, fasolaka, are actually called ladera. Ladera are the ones that have oil. The olive oil takes all the flavor of the green beans. It's also a summer meal, a summer staple meal in Greek kitchens. And it is something that is eaten with, you can add potato, you can drizzle feta cheese on it, or you can have feta cheese on the side. We haven't put in potato in this specific recipe, and this recipe is for 2 people. 1 pound of the fasolaka. The ladera meal is ready to go. Okay. This is the ladera meal. So, Kaliorexi.